how I made over $21,550 in profit in 1 week with this affiliate offer. So as you can see over here, I will refresh so you can see it's real, right? It's not fake, it's real. I will refresh, you see $21,550. Now, how I did this? I did it with the buyers clicks, buyers traffic. So exactly, if you want to know how I did it, I'm going to show you in this video. But first of all, let me show over here how this works, right? Now, if you are watching this video and you want to reach out to me later, you can find me on my Instagram, okay, over here, as you can see over here. This is my Instagram account, right? You can DM me, you can ask me any questions you want to regards to affiliate marketing, ClickBank, affiliate marketing, traffic and stuff like that. Google ads, Facebook ads, whatever your interest is, right? So let me know. Now, exactly how I did it is over here. You see over here, right? What we did is, first of all, you need to have audiences of people, right? So if you're running Google ads, Google pay-per-click, remember, right? I'm collecting leads, right? I'm building email list, solo ads, right? Email list. So basically, the first thing you have to do is first you have to purchase buyers clicks. Now I'm going to show exactly on the website how to do this, but how this works is, if you decide to join and first purchase buyers clicks, we will send out the email. So I will give done for you email, right? For ClickBank or Max offer. And then what we do, my friend, is we choose the offer for you from 50 to over to $500 per sale. So average order value, it's up to $500. So imagine this, how much you could make if you made only 1 or 2 sales. You could make over $2,000 or over $1,000 per sale, right? You see over here, right? And then why? Because we have multiple upsells, right? So then we have a decision, no or yes. They buy. If they don't buy, we follow up with email, right? Or even, as in this case, downsell them for a cheaper offer. And if they buy, yeah, of course, money is made, sales are made, you get the sales, and that's it. So that is how it works, simply and easily, right? Now, over here, I'm going to show exactly how this works out in this scenario. Look, over here, right, is the site on ClickBank. So what you have to do, basically, you have to head over to clickbank.com. You go for diet offer, make money online offer, and you choose the offer that I suggest. For example, this offer is paying $235 per sale. So imagine this, my friend. If you get only 1 sales per day, you're making over $235 per day. How much is that per month? Around $7,000 per month, 6,000 euros per month. Every single month, only 1 sale per day, right? So without having to have a website, no blog, no landing page, all this is done for you. We send the traffic, and don't take my word for it. You don't have to believe me, okay? Let me show you over here. You see, this is the website, this is the site. You can check out later. So what you have to do is over here, you see, this is the option with a new traffic method, basically pay-per-click, done for you buyers clicks, right? You can turn clicks into lucrative $300 to $1,000 commissions per day. So this is done for you affiliate marketing traffic. You don't have to take my word for it. You can check the testimonials, right? People, case studies.
And got myself 5,000 buyer clicks. And man, it paid off big time. I got my first 35 sales and racked in.
This guy got over 35 sales working with me with these buyers clicks, right? Yeah, of course, he purchased clicks for $3,000, 5,000 clicks, and he got over $9,300 in sales, right? So if you have any questions how to get started, you can email me on team@dailymarketingtips.com, or you can WhatsApp me on this number over here. You can find me on my, as you can see over here, on my Instagram. The links are in the description under this YouTube video, right? You can find me there. And how this works, basically, this is done for you traffic, right? So you see, you have over here first access to 100% unique premium leads from Australia, UK, Germany, New Zealand, and Canada, and also South Africa, okay? So you have leads with buying power, and also what you get is done for you landing pages and marketing system. So you don't have to do it yourself. I personally help you to set it up with email marketing and done for you emails for up to 2 months. Up to 60 days or 2 months, you're getting done for you email campaigns. Okay, so don't have to believe me anything. You can see over here, what are our clients saying? You can see this stay-at-home mom, single mom, she made over $17,000 in 35 days in profit. As you can see over here, you can go and check it out.
Hello everyone, hi, I'm Jane. I'm a stay-at-home mom. I've just been painting my son's room.
Now I'm not going to let the whole video play, but you can check it out later, my friend. Okay, so here is exactly what you are getting. You see, first access to 100% unique premium leads. So basically human beings just like me and you in different spaces like dating, make money online, weight loss, keto, diabetes, all these huge niches. Okay, so leads with buying power and also email marketing, which is done through emails for up to 60 days, right? So what you have to do is copy your ClickBank affiliate ID, submit it here, and then you can choose the package, right? For $500, you get 350 clicks. For Bronze Pro, you're getting 900 clicks, right? So this option converts up to $500 in sales, right? This is proven to work on $500 packages. So if you pay around $1,000, $997, right? You're getting 900 clicks, and this is $500 sales converter. Now another option is Pro Rainmaker, which is almost $2,000, $197, 2,500 clicks, and this one is proven to convert $1,000 sales. And then the last option is if you're super affiliate, if you really want to take it, right? Put the pedal to the metal. It's $3,000. You get 5,000 buyers clicks, right? And you can imagine how much you can convert. As you can see over here, testimonial over here, this guy bought for $3,000 clicks and he made 35 sales and over $9,300 in profit. You can check it out after watching this video. And if you have any questions, let me know, okay? The links are in the description. You can WhatsApp me, you can give me a call, Facebook message me, DM me on Instagram, and send me any kind of message you want. You can check it out. And finally, you can start making profit and become a pro affiliate and start generating good results before Christmas. So you can provide more for yourself, for your family, for your kids, for your spouse, whoever you are with, right? Again, thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.